Welcome back to KVUE News at 4. This afternoon, growing concerns about bird flu.
And California is under a state of emergency, with the CDC confirming the first severe human case of the virus. ABC's Lionel Mosey has the latest.
Wisconsin has become the 9th state to report a human case of bird flu.
This is a virus that has been going unchecked and spreading across many states now for months.
Officials say the Wisconsin farm worker contracted the disease from an infected flock of commercial poultry. At least 62 people in the U.S. have contracted the illness known as H5N1, at least 34 of them in California, where the governor has now declared a state of emergency. Previous cases have resulted in only mild symptoms, but now for the first time, officials say an American is seriously sick. They say the patient from Louisiana is hospitalized, over 65, had underlying medical conditions, and caught the virus from sick and dead birds in their backyard.
This means that risk isn't necessarily just contained to farms, but is broader, and this is why public health officials are concerned. Currently, there is no human-to-human spread, and this is very important because the risk to the general public still is very low.
Most human cases have come from the disease spreading to cows, chickens, and turkeys, and then to farm workers who worked with the sick animals. More than 120 million birds have been affected by the virus, with outbreaks in all 50 states. It's one reason why egg prices are up more than 37% since last year. Authorities are concerned about the disease possibly spreading through raw milk. Of the more than 800 herds of cattle infected in the U.S., 649 are in California. Lionel Moyes, ABC News, New York.